Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I am going to read it out for you. Table manners. Miss Rida came to the class immediately after the lunch break. She saw that the children's hands were dirty. Some wrappers were also there on the floor. She was not happy with the children. She advised them to follow good manners while eating at school as well as at home. She promised to bring a chart of table manners the next day. Next day, Miss Rida displayed the following chart in the classroom. Table manners. Come to the table with hand and face clean. Start with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim and end with Alhamdulillah. Do not hurry in taking the food. Chew the food with your mouth closed. Do not take the food when your mouth is full. Ask someone to pass to you something that is not near you. Put as much in the plate as you can finish. Push the chair in when you leave the table. Use please and thank you. Wash your hands and face when finished.